Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the weekend edition in the puzzle page of Sunday, November the 23rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and the Killer Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the Binary puzzle with 4 stars. Yes, it's binary time, and this one will be number 9645. 9645. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 by 10. And that means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Let me start with the ones. Double ones, here no, there no. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones, here no, there no. 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 Between two O's comes in 1. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then between the ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Then, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, there should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Now I need to think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Come on. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. And double O's, here one, there one. 4 minutes. Cannot believe this. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.